have a idea. Now see, this big idea is just a big word. I will say that, no idea is a small or a big idea. No idea is a bad or a good idea, right? But it is all about acceptability of that idea in the market. Is that clear? So the point is that, how do you identify that which idea will give me a green flag if it is introduced in the market? So we are going to talk about that also in some time. Once you have an idea in your mind, you have to take the plunge, right? See, simply sitting in your classroom or just sitting.
Have 3 to 4 business ideas, but you can't able to decide which will be the best one. How to choose it wisely?
Great. Why you want to choose it? Why don't you start working on all this 3 and 4, but prioritize which one first and second, third, and